Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I am going to be doing my wash day with some products from Paige Marie. This is a Black-owned business and I have tried some of the products from this brand before and my hair really loved them, so I decided to dedicate a whole wash day and style to Paige Marie. As you can see, my hair is in desperate need of some TLC, so first and foremost I have to saturate my hair with water. So I'm going to go in and do that first. After I saturate my hair with water, I am going to go in with the Cleanse and Moisture shampoo. It has chamomile extract, and the chamomile alleviates itchy, dry scalp and detoxes the scalp, promoting growth. It has silk amino acids which penetrate deep down inside of damaged hair cuticles to repair and protect. It has peppermint leaf water which stimulates blood circulation to the scalp for hair to receive more nutrients for growth and stronger hair. This is a cleansing, lightweight, non-stripping, sulfate-free moisture shampoo that has great lather. When I went in with the first shampoo, I did get a good lather. Also, what I liked about this shampoo is that it felt like I could finger detangle my hair while applying this shampoo. It was just that moisturizing. After I rinsed the shampoo out, my hair felt so moisturized, y'all. Like, my hair was just like soft to the touch, and I just kept like running my fingers down my hair to see if I had gotten like all of the shampoo out of my hair, because it just felt that much more moisturized. But as you can see, all of the shampoo was rinsed out in my hair. So I went in with a second wash just to see how it would do on my hair. And when I immediately applied the shampoo to my hair, my hands just slid down my hair, like it was just really slippery. And then while that was happening, like the lather on my hair just immediately came, and I really did like that about the shampoo. When I rinsed my hair out the second time, my hair did not feel stripped at all, and my hair still felt moisturized. So I will definitely attest that this shampoo really does clean your hair, but at the same time adds the moisture. So then I went in with one of Paige Marie's newest products. It is the Strength and Moisture Conditioner. It has amla oil in it, which reduces hair loss due to the rich contents of vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Grapeseed oil is also included in this conditioner. It's great for locking in moisture to the hair as it works as a natural sealant. It also has coconut oil, which moisturizes and reduces breakage, protects hair from environmental damage, and preserves the natural protein within the hair. If you are sensitive to coconut oil, then they do have a leave it in or not conditioner, which can be used as a rinse out conditioner as well as a leave-in conditioner. Some of the ingredients in the leave it in or not conditioner is the Abyssinian oil, acai berry extract, and the prickly pear oil. Now the Strength and Moisture Conditioner, I usually like to go in straight with a deep conditioner, but I just wanted to see how this rinse out conditioner worked on my hair. This is a soft, lightweight rinse out conditioner that will have your hair feeling so moisturized and soft. The conditioner has lots of slip to help with detangling to minimize the breakage. Now I will definitely have to attest to the fact that this conditioner has like loads of slip, y'all, like buckets and buckets of slip. Like I had no issues with finger detangling my hair, and I will say that my hair was pretty tangled from the style that I had it in, as you saw in the beginning. Y'all, this, like, I didn't even need to use a detangling brush if I didn't want to. Now I will say that when I rinsed out this conditioner, like my hair felt moisturized, but it wasn't like super duper overly moisturized like I thought it was going to be based on the amount of slip that I had with the conditioner and the fact that my curls were like super duper defined. But my hair for the most part, like it felt more strengthened than anything. Like I stated earlier, I usually don't use a rinse out conditioner. I just like to go straight into the deep conditioner, but I just wanted to see how the conditioner worked in my hair because, you know, as stated, it was one of their newer products. So would I purchase this conditioner again? No, only for the simple fact that, you know, it didn't really wow me as much as the deep conditioners do. So speaking of deep conditioners, I then went in with the Fenugreek and Bring Raj protein-free restorative deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is formulated to restore damaged and weak strands. It also promotes length retention due to the intense formulation of Fenugreek and Bring Raj. Although Fenugreek and Bring Raj have a great source of protein, our formulation does not contain proteins that can cause protein overload to fine hair textures. These two Ayurvedic ingredients are proven to nourish hair follicles to promote healthy hair and length retention. This deep conditioner leaves your hair hydrated and soft. This deep conditioner had really good slip and it was easy for me to finger detangle my hair. Then I went in with my detangling brush and the brush just actually like slid through that section without any problems, without any snags. And I will also say that with this deep conditioner, a little goes a long way. Now I know, like me and probably a lot of other naturals, we really like to pack on the deep conditioner. We're really heavy-handed with it. I will say that you do not need to start off with a big scoop of this deep conditioner. Once you work that deep conditioner in, you can tell if you've added too much deep conditioner because of course you will see loads and loads of product. And that is what I saw when I was detangling my hair with the brush. So that's why I say just maybe go in with a little bit first and then get more as needed, because a little does go a long way with this deep conditioner. Now when I rinsed my hair out, my hair felt moisturized but not super duper moisturized. Like the rinse out conditioner that I used previously, it felt like my hair was more strengthened than anything. And I will say that that probably came from the Fenugreek and the Bring Raj. But overall, this deep conditioner is a really good deep conditioner, and I do like the fact that it has the Ayurvedic herbs included in it. And I also wanted to add that all of the products that I've used so far, they have the same scent to me. It's more like a minty smell to it. It smells really good, but it's not overbearing or anything. And another thing I wanted to add about the deep conditioner was that while it was sitting on my hair and I was letting it soak in and, you know, marinate and everything, I felt like a cooling sensation on my scalp and it felt really nice. And as I was looking through the ingredients, I know exactly what caused that little sensation is the tea tree and peppermint essential oils. These natural essential oils are added to the formula for the fragrance. Both essential oils provide a cooling, tingling feeling when applied to scalp and hair. Both are great for scalp dryness and dandruff. So I would definitely purchase this restorative deep conditioner again. So now it is time for the styling portion of this video, and I did want to add that I do currently have the Leave It In or Not conditioner in my hair already. I have used this leave-in conditioner several times on my channel, and I really do like it because it goes with a lot of gels that I have used in the past. It has definitely become a staple in my stash. And so next I am going to go in with the Turmeric Shea Moisture Cream. And this is one of Paige Marie's newest products as well. And I do want to add that the Strength and Moisture Conditioner and the Turmeric Shea Moisture Cream was gifted to me by the owner of Paige Marie, Lakeisha. So I do want to send you a huge thank you for sending me these products. This video is not sponsored, by the way, and I just wanted to go ahead and try these products out to see how they work for my hair. So I'm really excited about trying this moisture cream. I'm going to be doing a braid out. Since I am trying this product by itself, I just want to do a braid out. Maybe the next time I'll try it with a wash and go, but when I do a wash and go, I'll probably add some gel to it just to make sure I get that hold. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see what the consistency looks like for this moisture cream. This is what it looks like. And I don't know if you can tell because of the lights, but it does have like a light yellow color to it. And the smell of it smells like all of the other products. It has that minty smell as well. And just by looking at it, it looks more like it's whipped. But we'll see what the consistency is once I get ready to apply the cream to my braids. But first, let me take this cap off so you guys can see how the leave-in is looking on my hair. So this is what we are looking like, and as you can see, my hair looks really moisturized and my curls are really defined. Okay, so I am going to take this brush and just detangle this section and apply the cream and see what it's talking about. Oh. Okay, so this is the consistency of the cream. It does look whipped, but it is more on the creamy side. I'm gonna go in with about this much here. It feels like it has a slight thickness to it. I say like on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being like super duper thick and 1 being not thick at all, I would have to say maybe like a 3 or a 4. But as you can see, like it is very moisturizing, and it does have a little clumpage there. I'm gonna go in with just a little, no, I'm not going in with any more because the website says a little goes a long way. So I think, okay, maybe just a little bit. That much. I'm just gonna put it on the end. Go in with my brush again. And we are gonna go ahead and braid it up. The Turmeric Shea Moisture Cream is all about moisturizing your hair. This is a lightweight cream that will not weigh the hair down. Adding this cream to your hair after a wash day will set you up for a styling success, and it does say that this cream can be used for all styles. Alright y'all, so we got 1 braid down, and I'm not sure how many more to go. But once I am done doing my braids, I will come back and let you guys see what my hair is looking like. So just enjoy the music and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am finally done putting my braids in, and this is what they are looking like. Braids look really good. My ends are really defined. See those little ringlets there? Once my hair has completely dried, it may take a day or two, But once they are dry, I will come back and take my braids out and see how this moisture cream does for my braid out. Okay, so it is the next day and my braids are completely dry. I put my hair up in a ponytail because I went to the gym today and I didn't want them hanging down. So I am just going to take this little scrunchie out. And this is what they are looking like. I have my oil right here that I'm going to put on my fingertips so that I can take my braids out without causing any unnecessary frizz. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay y'all, so do y'all see how my braid out turned out? Like, look at the definition. I do have some shine as well. My hair looks really good. My hair feels good. It's nice and soft, and as you can see, it's super bouncy. Like, this moisture cream along with the leave-in conditioner like really gave me a nice braid out, and I know that it will look even better as the days go by. So overall, this whole Paige Marie product line worked really well for my hair. If I had to choose a product that just wowed me from the line, it would have to be the Cleanse and Moisture shampoo. Like I said earlier, when I rinsed the shampoo out, like, my hair felt super duper cleansed but at the same time moisturized, and I just had to keep filling my hair to make sure that I rinsed the shampoo out because it just felt so nice and smooth on my hair. But for my favorite product out of the line, it would have to be the Leave It In or Not conditioner. I love using it as a leave-in conditioner. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this braid out. I will have links to the products in the description box along with a discount code for you to get some money off if you do want to try some of these products. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.